Good morning, boys and girls. I hope everybody's doing awesome. Today, we're going to talk a little bit more about symbols when we compare and contrast numbers. We've been talking about the alligator mouth and how it always eats the biggest number, right? Today, we're going to talk about what if numbers are the same? What symbol would we use? This is a symbol that we've been using since September. Does anyone think they know what symbol we would use if the numbers are the same? Does this look familiar to anybody? Ooh. Yeah, the equal sign. Equal, remember we talked about that like on the monkey balance? Whatever is on this side would be the same on this side. This would mean equal to. The numbers are the same. Let's look at some. I'm going to just fold this paper so it's easier to see. Now remember, we can draw base 10 to help us. So I have these two numbers. I'm going to draw it. So I have my 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to look at the tens first. Well, I see that there's 110 for each. So now I need to look at the ones. The ones both have 6. So what do we know about these two numbers? They are what? Yeah, they're equal. They're the same. So on that line, instead of putting an alligator mouth, we're going to put equal to. So that would read 16 is equal to 16. Let's try another one. Okay, I'm going to draw it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I drew that one. All right, here it is. So what do we have to do first? Look at the tens or the ones? Right, the tens. So I see 3 tens and 3 tens. That's the same. So I need to now look at the ones. Very good. 2 tens. 2 ones. 2 ones. So what does that mean? They are what? Equal. Awesome. Equal. They are the same two numbers. So 32 is equal to 32. Awesome. I have 2 more. If you have paper nearby, you can try this one on your own. So I have 88 blank 88. So if you have paper, why don't you write that down? Now I want you to draw it in base 10. All right, so let's do it together. How you guys doing? Did you draw it out? Does it look like this? All right, let's look at the tens. I see 8 tens and 8 tens. Now we look at the ones. I see 8 ones, 8 ones. So what would go in here? Would it be greater than, less than, or equal to? Right, they're the same, so it would be equal. 88 is equal to 88. All right, and the last one. If you have paper, I want you to do this one too. 45 blank 45. Okay, so write it on a piece of paper. And now what are we going to do? Right, let's draw it in base 10. How many tens? How many ones? How many tens? How many ones? I'll give you a minute to draw it. All right, does yours look like this? If it does, awesome job. All right, so what do we look at first? Tens or ones? Right, tens. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, those are the same. Now we have to go to the ones. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the same too. So what would go in the line? Would it be greater than, less than, or equal to? Right, equal to, because they have the same numbers. Awesome, awesome job. Now I want you to go on Class Dojo because we put some problems on there, and you're going to fill in if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. Now remember, the alligator always eats the biggest number, and if it's equal, the numbers are going to be the same. Okay? I hope you have an awesome day. Keep up the great work. Bye, guys.